what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are gonna be making mixed berry smoothie. It's a super healthy smoothie and very good for breakfast if you want to start your day with. Full of antioxidants. Your body is gonna thank you so much after you drink the smoothie. And the exact ingredient with measurement is in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And let's get started with the recipe. Alright guys, the smoothie came out to be so delicious and the color is so appetizing and welcoming that you will feel like drinking the whole thing at once. Anyways, do try it and I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Until then, bye guys!